Do you ever sit down to create something beautiful and it's going so well, only that was a mistake, and that one, and this one, oh, another one, you messed that up, you gotta throw it away. Wait a second. No, you don't, because with the magic of Photoshop, we can fix that. Traditional artists rejoice, we have access to real magic. In this class, I'm going to show you how to fix almost anything with just a few simple tools found in Photoshop. Spilled some ink? We can fix that. Wobbly lines? We can fix that. Colors ugly together? Totally fixed. If you ever wish to have an undo button, like I do all the time, well, don't worry pals, because we can fix it in Photoshop. So whether you want to make a print of your work or just put it online, we can fix your mistakes. Let me show you how. I've been using Photoshop to enhance my art and to fix mistakes for over 10 years. As you can see in these pieces, it doesn't have to be big mistakes, it can be tiny ones, or it can be big ones as well. The important thing to know is that anything you do can be fixed. In this class, we will take this piece, it's not that bad, but there's things I want to change around. I'll show you all my favorite techniques and tools and how to use them, with lots of different variations. I'll even give you the original artwork so you can follow along with me as we fix it. By the end of the class, you'll have the skills to do this to your own art, and I encourage you to make your own before and after. So what are you waiting for? Let's learn how to fix art magically in Photoshop.